If you achieve something, don't shy away. Show it off! Hey everyone! I am Aunty HR, aka Professional Bimbo. If you're like most people, you'll probably experience the frustration of sending out countless job applications and hearing crickets in response. It's like shouting into a void and getting nothing but silence in return. But don't worry, there's hope! It's time to take a closer look at your CV. So let's get cracking and turn that lackluster CV into a shining star. Okay, first up, tailor your CV to the job you are applying for. You cannot simply take your CV and tembak it to every job you see. That's your first mistake, okay? Always read the job posting carefully, like you're decoding the secret menu at a mamak stall. This means identifying the skills and experiences outlined in the job posting that are most relevant to the position. Jangan main hantam, okay? And highlight them in your CV. For example, if you're applying for a customer service role, you might want to focus on your communication skills and experience working with customers. Tip number 2, simpan senang-senang. Your CV should be well structured and easy to read. Nobody wants to sit through a giant wall of text, so break it up with bullet points, headings and clear sections. Make sure you keep the formatting clear and consistent throughout your CV. This will make it easier for potential employers to quickly scan your CV and find the information they are looking for. And remember to keep it to a maximum of 2 A4 pages only. Okay? Our third tip is to include non-work related experiences such as volunteer work or extracurricular activities. Employers want to see your teamwork and leadership skills, okay? Did you help organize any school events? Or perhaps you were part of a sports team or a leadership group? All this can demonstrate valuable skills like teamwork and leadership, which are often valued by employers. Finally, don't forget to highlight your achievements and accomplishments in your previous roles. If you achieve something, don't shy away. Show it off! Numbers and statistics are like fireworks. They make a big impact. Don't worry, it's not like algebra. No need to calculate like a genius. Just follow this formula. Okay? Pay attention. Let me give you an example. Boosted website traffic by 50% by using SEO strategies, representing a 20% quarter-on-quarter increase. Wow, sound impressive, right? And here's an extra tip. Double check and triple check, okay? Check your CV for any typos, spelling mistakes, or grammar. Boleh. You don't want your CV to look like a messy mamak menu, right? And get a fresh pair of eyes. Ask a friend or a family member to give your CV a thorough look. They can spot things you might have missed. And there you have it, our top tips for making a winning CV. By tailoring your CV to the job you are applying for using a well-structured format, including non-working related experiences and highlighting your achievements and accomplishments, you can create a CV that will impress potential employers and help you to land your dream job. Okay, adik-adik, it's time to go out there and land that dream job. All the best! And jangan lupa, have confidence and believe in yourself. You can do it, okay?